welcome to Fact Sheet Friday. This Friday we wanted to feature our #1 fact sheet. It's the fact sheet that gets the most hits out of all the fact sheets on our website, and I thought it would be fun to bring that one to you. So the #1 fact sheet is, I have it flipped around here, Oklahoma Garden Planting Guide. So if you're outside, you're wanting to get outside, you're wanting to plant things, we have a great resource that tells you all the different things you need to know about planting right now. So if you're trying to plan, what can I plant right now? We have a fact sheet for that, and you can help plan your garden. So anyway, if this is a fact sheet that interests you, we have the link in there, and so we hope that you'll get outside and enjoy some of the fresh air and work on a garden. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to call our office, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!